Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi.
Huh?
Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
All the way. Woo! Come here.
Who's a good boy? Did you hear about the neighbor? She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
What's up, Mr. Cool? Bruh.
Bailey, are you sad? No?